Step number 2, familiarize yourself with your library's website. I'm looking for databases. So in the Boston Public Library, I'm going to try books and more. And I see a, a topic called online resources. And I click it and I see, yes, in fact, it is the databases. And they've decided to divide them into topics like subject, audience, and so forth. I see this button here, which means I can look at everything that the Boston Public Library subscribes to. You can see there are quite a few resources, just dozens. That might be a little bit daunting. So what I suggest is that you try and find a research guide like these. These guides are written by the librarians at a specific library. And what they've done is make a list of frequently asked topics and put in a bunch of links that users may find useful. Since you've been asked to do a paper on careers, let's take a look at that. This has a few subtopics, and the one I think might be best for the assignment you've got is the Job Seeker's Guide. It gives you a lot of information about how to get a job, what you need to do, but it also has a tab called Research Careers. So when I click that, I get more information and I get the links to online resources. For example, learn how to become. This website gives you information about major categories of employment. For example, nursing. Let's say you want to be a nurse. If you click here, you find out all there is to know. Well, maybe not all, but a lot. This might be a great resource for the kinds of things that we asked you to do on the paper. If I go down one further, I see something called ONet online, and this helps me find occupations according to Bright Outlook. I guess that is how good they are in terms of growth. What kinds of careers, medical, perhaps environmental, that kind of thing. Industry, again, it splits them up in a bunch of different ways. Let's say I want to find nurse here. I want RN, so I'll put RN in. And it says registered nurse. And the nice thing about this is it gives you links to other kinds of nurses that you can just click on. It gives you details about it. It tells you what technology you need. It tells you about your education and the kind of personality, skills. So possibly another great resource for your paper. Similarly, the New York Public Library has a tab called Research. And when I go there, I find that it has all kinds of information about doing research online and doing it in person. Since I don't have a New York Public Library card, I can't really show you much, but I can show you that they have a list of things as well, a list of resources as well, and plenty of help should you need it.